What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She on the road, shorty dripping, that's Christian Dior. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her own, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her own, shorty ain't tripping, she got her ghost. Shorty she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be doing a clothing haul. It's been a while since I've done a clothing haul. This clothing haul is going to be featuring Modaxpress. This is my first time working with them. I've never even heard of them, but they reached out to me, and I'm so happy that they did because their clothes is very, very, very affordable. So I was sent 3 items that I'm going to be trying on for you guys and for myself for the first time to see how I like it, what I think about it, the sizing, and all that other stuff. So like I said, I got 3 pieces. I got everything in a size small. And for reference, I am 5 feet, 127 pounds. So hopefully everything fits good. Because lately your girl has been having to get a medium. So, oh, they want me a cute little note. I love it. Ooh. Yeah. So all the information is going to be down below, like their Facebook, their Instagram. I'm also going to show you guys a little sneak peek of their website. It's going to be somewhere on the screen. It probably already popped up. But yeah, so let's get into this clothing haul. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be trying on is this jacket. This is a size small. The name of the jacket, like I said, everything is going to be on the screen. This is how the jacket is looking. So far, this jacket is feeling real thick. I don't know why I thought it was going to be thin, but this jacket is real thick. The quality of this jacket, okay, is everything. The quality is everything. So far, so good. I'm a little impressed. I was not expecting this. So this is how it looks. Y'all, do y'all see how the quality of this jacket, y'all? I wish I could feel it. It feels so freaking soft. I hope it fits me. So this is the jacket. Okay. I'm jacking this jacket. Let me see how it look. Okay, so it's giving a little cropped, but that's fine because I don't really like my jackets hanging too low. But, and y'all, you know what's crazy? I needed another jacket. I have a jacket already, like in black, pink, tan. So I needed this nude brown, whatever you want to call this color. It's giving, I don't know, but I love this color and I love this jacket. This jacket is real comfortable. So I'm going to do a 360 of this jacket. This is the front, this is the arm. It has a buckle. It has all these things. It has 2 pockets, surprisingly, because sometimes leather jackets don't be having pockets. And that'd be, well, it's not a leather jacket, but sometimes jacket like this don't be having pockets, and that be blowing my. So this is the front of the jacket. This is how it looks in the back. It's real cute. It's real comfortable. It's real soft. Like I said, I will highly recommend this jacket. So now on to the second piece. So now this is the second set, y'all. It's a 2-piece black tracksuit, and I love. Because now, if you know me personally, you know I love me a 2-piece set. I love to just put on and go. I don't really like to think too hard when it comes to looking for an outfit. I just want to put something on and go. And y'all, this is real comfortable. Oh, I wish you guys can feel. Oh, I just realized I got this band on the side. So this is a cute little detail. It also has 2 zippers, one at the bottom, one at the top. Oh my god, it has zippers on the pants on the side. Y'all, everything about this tracksuit is everything. It's real thick, so comfortable. Oh my god. And it goes all the way down past my ankles, honestly. So I love me a tracksuit that go past my ankles, because when I sit down, I know my pants won't be rising. But ooh, y'all, this is everything. Honestly, y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I was sleeping on them. I wasn't expecting their sizing to be so, like, on point and perfect. Because you guys know, usually with, like, boutiques like this, the sizing fits weird. But, y'all, this sizing is so on point, it's not even funny. Oh my god, I love it. I think this might be my favorite. I don't know. The fit and everything is just perfect. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. It's literally fitting perfectly. Perfect, okay? Okay, so now y'all, this is the last and final set. And baby, when I say this is my favorite, this set right here is everything. The main reason why I really love this set is because your girl go to the gym. And I needed some more gym sets, so this is perfect for the gym. I wish I would have got a medium. Like, this is just really, really too tight. But overall, I would still wear it. I love it. Oh my god, this is everything. You guys don't know how long I've been trying to get a set like this. It's not even funny. And I know these sets been up for a while, but y'all, I've been trying to get a set like this for the longest. This is how the back and everything looks. It literally fits perfect, like perfect. Everything is bomb about this company, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all. They really surprised me. The quality is everything. Their clothes is not thin. Like, this is real thick, y'all. And it got them holes. Their material is so thick. Oh my god. And it just snatches me in. Like, I love this set. Now I'm about to take some pictures in this set. Yeah. Nah, y'all, this set is everything. I think just between all of them is my favorite, but like this is my real, like, this is my number one. Like, this outfit right here is number one for me, y'all. Like I said, all the details to each outfit will be down below, and I highly recommend Modaxpress. The clothes is very affordable. The quality is bomb. Nothing, don't get me wrong, I love me some Shein, I love me some all them other things, but their quality is way better. I'm not even joking, y'all. You could tell, like, you just tell, look at the fabric, like, oh my god, this outfit really holds me in OD. Like, nah. Yeah, I'm about to take some pictures in this outfit. Each link for each outfit will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.